Are you tired of struggling with slow performance on your older laptop or PC? Let me introduce you to Optimum 1124H2, a streamlined, bloat-free, and highly optimized version of Windows 11. This is a highly optimized custom OS designed to be smaller, lighter, and faster than the standard version, making it perfect for older or less powerful devices. A quick disclaimer: Optimum Windows 11 is a custom-built version created by third-party developers. It is not an official Microsoft product, and this video is for educational purposes only to demonstrate how it works. Unlike virtual machines, we'll be performing a clean installation directly onto my old Toshiba laptop, which doesn't meet the hardware requirements for official Windows 11. I'll guide you step by step through downloading the ISO file, creating a bootable USB, and installing the OS. If you're ready to give your device a new lease on life, let's dive in. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Tech2 AI. Today, I'll be installing Optimum 1124H2 on one of my old laptops that's been running really slow. It's lagging and becoming unresponsive repeatedly, so I thought, why not give Optimum 11 a try? Let's get started by downloading the ISO file for Optimum 11. Quick note, the laptop I'm using to download the ISO is not the one I'll be installing it on. That's a different one. Alright, here we go. Open your browser and type Optimum 1124H2 into the search bar. Open the first link that appears in the search results. It will take you to the download page. Here you'll see two editions available, Optimum 11 Home Edition and Optimum 11 Pro Edition. I'll go with Optimum 11 Pro Edition for this demonstration. Click on the Pro Edition option. On the next page, scroll down. You'll find detailed information like the build details and other specifications. Feel free to read them if you're interested. Now scroll down further until you see the Download tab. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds. You might encounter an ad on the first click. Close it and click on the same tab again. Once done, save the file and the download will begin. When the download is complete, you'll have a .rar folder. Extract it, and you'll see the following files. The Optimum 11 ISO file, a Rufus setup, which is really helpful since we'll use it to create a bootable USB drive. Let's move on to creating the bootable USB. Make sure you insert a USB flash drive into your system. Mine is 16 gigabytes, but an 8 gigabyte USB drive should be sufficient. Run Rufus. Make sure your USB drive is selected in the application. Click Select and browse for the Optimum 1124H2 ISO file that we just downloaded. You can assign a volume label if you'd like. Leave the other options as they are, click Start, and wait for the process to finish. Once it says ready, your bootable USB drive is ready. Close Rufus. Safely remove the USB flash drive. Now plug the USB drive into the laptop or PC you want to install Optimum 11 on. Power on the system and press F2 or the appropriate key for your device to enter the boot menu. Select the option to boot from USB drive and save the changes. Your system will now boot from the USB and the installation setup will begin. You'll see two installation options. Install Optimum 11 with Defender on. Install Optimum 11 with Defender off. For better security, it's always recommended to install with Defender on, but the choice is yours. Click Next. Select the primary drive and click Next again to start the installation. When the system restarts, immediately remove the USB drive to allow the process to continue. And that's it. Optimum 1124H2 is now installed on my laptop. Sorry about the poor video recording quality, guys. I'll be installing a screen recorder on this system first and then creating another video for you. In that video, I'll share how well this OS performs, how lightweight it feels, and whether it handles all my required applications smoothly. I'll include the link to that video in the pinned comment and description. So be sure to check it out before you try installing Optimum 11 on your own laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.